Hi, how are you doing today? This is Charles, California. An exciting unboxing for you guys because today we have a package from our friends from the Trendy Butler. So we were going to check it out and review what's inside the package. So check this out. Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Charles, California. We'll see what's inside the package and I will let you know my honest review regarding about this one. So, so this is their package, and then when you open it, you will see look good and feel good. I'm already feeling good about this one. So let's see. Let's check this out. So that's that. And then we do have the tissue paper as usual. And then it says here there's the yellow sticker, Trendy Butler. So we'll check this out. And so we got a sweater. So this one is really nice. It does have three colors. There's a tricolor on this one. There's the brown, the white, and then it's the grayish type of thing. And now this one came from 11 Paris LA collection. So there you go. And then this one is size medium, of course. This is my size, and then that's that. So this is good. I'm going to model it for you guys later at the end of this video. So there you go. That's really nice. I really like it. And then the sleeves too, it goes with the color. It's the tan, the white, and then the gray. So that's one. They sent us the pants. So this one is what is this? The gray pants. And then this one is from 11 Paris LA collection, 32, 30, 33, 32. So there you go. That's that. So we're going to check this out. It's a really simple one, but I always on the back we do have the pocket on here and then the pocket on this side. If you were going to check out their hardwares, it's really simple and I really like it. It's kind of like they put a detail thing on that. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's a triangle right there. So yeah, and then we'll check this out. And then of course there's a pocket in front, and then there's a mini pocket in here for your iPods, and then there's another pocket in here. So I'm going to model this one for you guys, how it will fit on me, and then I'm going to give you the first impression on that. And then yeah, this one is a subscription package again that you can have. I'm going to link the subscription below, and it's so far so good because these two things are really nice and really cute. So let's see how is that gonna be. So here's the look of Trendy Butler. Here we go. So from top to bottom, and I really like it. The pants, it's not too tight, so which is really good. And then this one, the long sleeve one, so it's really nice. And then you're going to have to dress it up or dress it down. Right now I'm wearing my loafers for this, and I really like it. I really like the sleeves of this one, and then the pants. I always at work, what I always do is I sit down. So let's check that out. Yeah, it's so comfortable and it's not snug or it's not tight, so which is really good. And I really like the colors, the tricolor on this one, the tan, the white, and then the gray. And the back, that's the back, and then the side, there you go. So yeah, this is really nice. I really like it. There you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is Charles, California. I will see you again in the next video. Do what makes you happy. Thank you very much. Bye.